Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Amazon Alexa when it's not working. Using an iPhone, let's get started. For secure Alexa device, make sure it is plugged in properly and turned on. If there is no light, unplug it, wait 10 seconds and plug it back in. Next, take your Wi-Fi connection, take your phone and make sure Wi-Fi is on and working. Scroll down from the top right corner of your screen and make sure your Wi-Fi is on. If your internet is slow or not working, Alexa will not respond. Now open the Alexa app on your iPhone and make sure you are logged into your account. At the top, tap on the plus icon, then tap on device, then tap Amazon Echo. Choose your Alexa device. If Alexa is not connected to Wi-Fi, tap change Wi-Fi and reconnect it to your network. If Alexa still does not work, try restarting the device. Unplug the Alexa device, wait 30 seconds and plug it back in. You can also restart the Alexa app, close the app completely and open it again. If Alexa is still not responding, try resetting the device. Press and hold the action button for about 15 seconds until the light turns orange, then set it up again using your iPhone. Also speak clearly and use the word Alexa. Make sure the microphone is not muted. After trying these steps, Alexa should work normally. And that's it. You have successfully fixed Amazon Alexa not working using your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.